Today is the 15th of August and we're at the Għadira Nature Reserve. This morning we're releasing 3 Greater Flamingos that have spent some time in our care. The one I'm holding it was recovered on the 4th of August from Dingley, and it was found weak and exhausted. It was picked up from animal welfare, and since then it's been in our care receiving medication and food, and now it's ready to be released.
And the one on my right was picked up on the 6th of August from Flamingo Zoo, picked up by an air officer. It had the same problem, it was being weak, so it was fed over the past few days and now it's strong enough to be released. And this one in my hand was picked up on the 11th of August. We assisted the ALE to pick up this juvenile flamingo from Marsascala after it was reported by members of the public in the bay. The bird is healthy, just needed some feeding, and it can be released also today. 2, 3.